You want me to drive? What year is it? 2000 Honda Accord? What is it? Honda Civic? What is it? Okay guys, I'm here in Bloomfield, Connecticut on a Sunday evening. We're heading to Granby Street to find some fruits. So I'm in this, what year is it? 2000 Honda Accord? What is it? Honda Civic? What is it? I'm in this 2000 Honda Civic, and I don't know if you can hear it, but surprisingly it drives really good. Yeah. So we're on the street here. I'm gonna show you what's going on in front of me, and I'll give you a tour of the car in a few moments for those who are interested. Yep, so hopefully the fruit stand is still open.
It is.
You think it is? Oh yeah, there are a lot of people there right now. Wow, lots of cars. Think all these people buying fruits?
They have a game on the street in the Granby.
Oh, they have a game going on. You could go through there. Yep, that's where we're going, guys, where the tent is. And down there they have a game going on. What is it, like soccer?
Yeah.
So lots of cars on the street. So my goal today is to get like a nice jelly coconut. If I can get that today, I'll be golden. All right. That is the little car. It's cute. First time I got a ride out of it. Mm-hmm. These are some nice watermelon. $7 for watermelon. I don't see. I think these were the good ones, right?
Yeah. Give one. How much?
They don't have a lot going on here. I think it's because of the end of the day. They're probably. Oh my gosh. That was an Infiniti SUV. This is peanut.
No cherry, mommy. Huh?
You getting the coconut?
You know, make cherry juice today.
I'm gonna get coconut.
40, 50,
Hear me?
50, 55.
That's what we came here for, the coconut.
Come on, open. Yeah, hard one like that. I need a hard one. No?
You gotta bring more?
Solo uno. Solo un saco. Solo un saco. Isa, fuera katana, mi fuera saco. Kazi ne yaşıyor? Gel hadi
Want that one, babe?
Yeah, I'll take that one. What? I got it. Thank you.
Another one. Hey, another one. No?
The water tastes weird.
Hmm?
The coconut water. It didn't make sense. Tastes weird, right? It tastes weird. You say you already paid for them?
No.
Well, you asking me if I want to pay. I don't got no money. Okay, time to get back to our 2000 Honda Civic. Let me show it to you again. There it is. There it is. Ugh. How was the coconut?
It's good. You don't like it?
I think I'm getting used to the taste. It tastes a little weird. Okay guys, that's our Sunday evening drive for this. I don't think it was quite worth it though. I've had better from the same location. Time to head back home. So guys, this is what? Granby Street, Hartford. This is where all the Jamaicans hang out on Sundays. I would say 95% of these people are Jamaicans. Right, Kevin? Yep, and the field is over there.